Hello guys, welcome to my channel Writers Review. Today I'm gonna review on KGF Chapter 2 teaser. Actually it's a breakdown. I have a feeling regarding Adhira connections with Rocky. I think Rocky is son of Adhira because in the whole movie of KGF Chapter 1 we didn't see the face of Rocky's father and Adhira's family because there is no point that we could not have seen who is Rocky's father in chapter 1 and hiding this both the situations of Rocky father and Adhira family has really something to do with each other, and I believe 100% that Adhira is father of Rocky, and he has come to take KGF on his behalf. Not that he was sent by four other members who were partnership in with Adhiras and Suryavardhan against Garuda. Now you will say how I can be so sure because you see in the movie or in the teaser that Rocky's mother is spitting blood, and that has something to do in KGF because we know KGF is a very bad place for breathing, and many people dies there due to cancer and such breathing problems. She must have been that place in the KGF, and this was the place where Rocky was born. And since she suffered very bad conditions, poverty, due to Adhira, who ran away, leaving them both alone, and that is why she always told to become a good man and not bad man like his father Adhira, and become a rich man so that they may not face poverty again like they have faced due to Adhira. Now here comes third point, that do Rocky know that Adhira is his father? He may or he may not. Fourth point is that has Adhira sent Rocky or does he know about his son? He may or may not. They will only come to know at the climax of the movie, or maybe one of them is knowing. Most probably Rocky knows that Adhira is his father, and this was the promise that he made with his mother when she was dying, to find his father Adhira, who will come back for KGF. And if Rocky takes KGF back, then his father Adhira will certainly come back, and then he can take his revenge or forgive his father Adhira. Fifth point is that Ramika Sen was against Adhira when Rocky was not born or when he was very small baby, and that is why he also left because his brother Suryavardhan and Ramika Sen both were against him because they knew that Adhira is a very bad man and he will take over KGF and kill his brother, his all partners, and maybe Ramika Sen also. So that is why Adhira's role was very important for KGF Chapter 2. And director needed to cast an actor who has more larger than life face value. And thus Sanjay Dutt came in place because Rocky's figure in chapter 1 is very powerful face, and only Sanju Baba like character face can match to his potential, and that is why I can say both are relatable, both are father and son, and maybe both dies at the end of KGF chapter 2, or maybe Adhira sacrifice for his son, or maybe Rocky's fulfill his mother's promise and kill Adhira's. Anything can be possible. Sixth point, director will certainly show the assassination of Ramika Sen as it was held in real life of Indira Gandhi, and that will save Rocky's and Adhira life. Because the day Rocky was born, Same day, Suryavardhan, on the order of Ramika Sen and his all others member, tried to kill Adhira, but he was alive and saved. You all be thinking that Adhira is the villain of the chapter 2, but not. He is the hero of the KGF chapter 2 and chapter 1. Because South Indian industry films does show family value, so I have certain belief that Adhira is not villain but a hero who due to his political problems was forced to leave his family back and now he has returned to save his family again. So guys, so how do you like my suggestions? Thanks for watching Writer's Review. I will be back with another video. Bye.